Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Neovim on Windows. We can uninstall Neovim from Windows settings or from control panel. So first let us see how to uninstall Neovim on Windows from Windows settings. For this, press Windows I. This will open up the settings. Click on Apps, Installed Apps. Here type Neovim in search. So this will bring up the Neovim application. Now click on the three dots, press Uninstall, Uninstall. Now the uninstallation has started. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Now wait for the uninstallation to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete and we can see that Neovim is removed from installed apps. So this is how you can uninstall Neovim from Windows settings. So now let us see how to uninstall Neovim on Windows from control panel. For this, press Windows R, type appwiz.cpl, press enter. This will open up the programs and features of the control panel. Here you must see the application Neovim. Click on it and click on uninstall. Give yes. So now the uninstallation has started. Give yes if you get a security prompt and wait for the uninstallation to complete. Okay, so now the uninstallation is complete and you can see that Neovim is removed from the programs and features. So this is how you can uninstall Neovim via the control panel. You can follow any one of the two methods to uninstall Neovim on Windows. You can either uninstall it using Windows settings or via the control panel. Once the uninstallation is complete, we need to do the cleanup. For this, press Windows R, type LOCALAPPDATA within percentage and press enter. This will open up the app data local folder. Here we need to delete two folders. So select the folders nvim, nvim-data and press delete key to delete it. So now both the folders are deleted. So this is the cleanup we need to do post the uninstallation for Neovim. After cleanup is done, we need to verify if the uninstallation was successful. For this, press Windows R, type cmd, press enter. This will open up the command prompt. Here type nvim, press enter. So here you're getting nvim is not recognized as internal or external command. So this confirms that Neovim is uninstalled successfully. So these are the steps you need to follow to uninstall Neovim, do the cleanup post the uninstallation, and do the verification to confirm that the uninstallation was successful. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.